Hey, it's Ben here, and I just wanted to run through a couple of quick blog tips, and in particular, looking at how we can embed images in our blog posts on UR courses. So when you're adding images, don't add them as attachments. We want to actually add them as embedded images, and that's what we're going to run through here. So if you look down to the right-hand side of your blog, you'll see your participation. So if I click View My Participation, then I can see the single blog post that I've made, but also if you're looking through the whole blog, sometimes it takes a long time to load. So actually looking at these individual blog posts will be much better, much quicker. So I'm going to click on the heading for this blog post. And if you scroll down, you can see a couple things here. One is the permalink, which actually will take us back to the same page. So basically this permalink, or the direct link URL, is the link that you want to submit to the assignment. So everything should go into your blog post, and then it's this that you copy and submit for your assignment. So that's the first thing I wanted to mention. The second is embedding images. So you can see here I've kind of made a quick post earlier about how to embed images, but we're going to run through that again. So if we hit edit here, and so before you submit your blog post, you can always edit it. It's not until you actually submit that permalink that I'm going to go and grade your work. So basically you can always go in and modify it, save it, come back to it, edit it, ask me for feedback by emailing me the permalink, and then when you're eventually happy with it, you can submit it. So we'll scroll down here to the bottom. I'm going to get the cursor flashing here in the editing window, and then I'll hit enter once, and that's going to get my cursor flashing to the next line. And it's important that we have this line break between the images so that things are laid out nicely. And then it's this little button where we see the mountains that we want to use to insert or edit an image. So if I click this first, we can go to Browse, I can choose a file, and it's going to take me to my Finder or Explorer where I can find an image that I want to upload. So I'm going to choose this image. We'll hit Choose, and then upload this file. And so you'll get some options in here for a description for the image, which we can check if we don't want to add a description. You don't need to. For your assignment submissions, you can see my images here. And I'd like you to leave this at the full width. So just leave these settings unchanged and hit Save Image. And that image will then be embedded into the blog post. Now, when you continue typing, don't worry about making this smaller. Just stretch out this window if you want to have some more space. I'm going to highlight the image and press the right cursor on the keyboard, hit enter once, and then I can continue to type. I can continue to type under my image. So that's how to embed an image. So you should have all your screenshots embedded. Make sure you include the interface in your screenshots when you're working with any application, so that I can see the editing that you're doing. I can see things like your layers panel and that type of stuff. And then when you're ready, we can save the changes. And if we're going to come back and make more changes, then we can come back again into View My Participation, jump into that individual blog post, see how it's all set up, come back in and edit it, and then keep on editing until you are ready to grab that permalink or direct link up at the top and then submit that into the assignment box. So I hope this is useful in terms of running through how to embed images. If you have any questions, then drop me a message in the course email, and good luck with your assignments.